Welcome to Best Car Fixes 2016 Honda Civic. We have a problem with the front impact sensor. You see, this is one. It's right here. And the part number is there. If you ohm it, it's gonna be like 1 ohm, but it's not like regular sensor. So this is one, and the one on the right side is there. We found out the wire was broken and it's located here. This is one impact sensor. So be careful when you do a body work with the ignition on. Don't hit this piece. You may be in trouble with it. So this is the piece. Let me show you the part number that we have. Turn it. Turn the part number. The part number is here for this Civic. And both of them are the same, the right side or left side the same. Now, before we have the light on, we thought that could be the airbag module. We took the airbag control module, which is located under here, but it is not. Oh, wow. So now with the ignition, I'm gonna start it, right? Turn the ignition on. That is it's gone. Gonna start it. See, that's the airbag. It's gone. We don't have no code. We have a check engine light, but that could be a different story. Let me go to the engine and see why the check engine light is on. Code only. Permanent or okay. Electronic coolant temperature sensor circuit high. This car have two sensors. P2185 electronic coolant temperature sensor 2. This car have like two sensors. One is on the radiator and one is in the engine. So the second one in the radiator, this car have an accident. The second one is in the radiator. Okay, this car have a body work, and you know sometimes they change the radiator and they don't change they don't replace the electronic coolant temperature sensor. The one that is on the radiator. This is the horn. Maybe it was disconnected. You gotta look under, or it could be by the engine. I'm not sure, but you may need to check it later and clear the code. We did not clear the code. We're gonna clear the code if it's come back again, or you can look at the data on the data to see if it still is a pending or just history. Let me see here. I'm gonna go here, clear the codes. Yes. You see here. So I'm gonna go back. You say permanent. I just wanna prove it. Data. If it's I'm looking for the one here. I don't have anything here. Maybe powertrain data. See here, this is coolant temperature sensor 1. Coolant temperature sensor 2. This is 1. This is this minus 40. So either it's not there or it's disconnected. See, even the volt is supposed to be 5 volts. You see, this one is a good one, sensor 1. So we need to look for the location where it's located. Maybe it's disconnected or they change the radiator and they never put it, and that's why the check engine light come on. This is sensor 1 is good. You see sensor 1 reading is good, 91.2, but this one minus 40 and 50. Thank you. We're gonna locate the sensor where it is, and then from there we can fix it. We're gonna get the approval from the customer before we go crazy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like.